Do you want to know how you can log into your fourth payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your fourth payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and search for fourth payroll login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Fourth Payroll. You can see that it consists of username and password. So let's go ahead and fill them up. Write down your username over here. After you write down your username, go ahead and write down your password in the second box. After you write down your password, make sure to check your password by clicking on this button over here. Then the final step is to click sign in. After you click sign in, you can successfully sign in to your fourth payroll account. So guys, it's quite easy. Write down your email address, write down your password and then click sign in. If you have forgotten your username or your password, these are the two links you want to go through. And if you haven't created a fourth payroll account now, you can go to its homepage and create an account. I hope this video about how you can log into your fourth payroll account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.